Okay. We're trying to keep... Oh, Angelina, this is my baby girl, Jackie.
Hello.
We're trying to sneeze and keep our eyes open because some people say you can't do it. So we're going to try that out right now. So we're going to put this tissue, twirl it tight, and dude, it's not working. Takes a while.
Why is it getting watery?
Dude, I told you. I mean,
One time.
oh. Try it again. I'm gonna hold them open.
Dude, where's that going? What the heck? Try my other nostril. Let me hold it for you.
I need this other one. Paper.
Why is that working? You got a feather?